where it can be played by Krug. Got it back up to Anton Blidh. He's fired in. Was the ever reached by Wilson, and that'll draw a crowd.
Oh, man.
Undoubtedly, there'll be a penalty coming up from that.
What a tough kid. Kevin Miller getting involved with Tom Wilson.
And rightfully so.
Oh, man, absolutely, Eddie. I mean, that was a waylay on Blidh.
That was right in between, right by Pierre. That separates the inside the glass position and the Capitals bench.
We'll pick up the penalty call or calls when we come back.
For the Boston Bruins, Anton Blidh shoots it in. Tom Wilson comes in from the side and almost from behind and just lets him have it. Huge hit by Wilson.
Yeah, the whiplash effect. Watch Blidh. Gets hit, the snap of the head, and just gets that cushion area, the partition there, and